We picked strawberries today at Eckert's, and so we got 2 of these boxes full. And well, I ate some. We ate some. But anyway, this is what we got left in the first box. I'm gonna clean these, and I'm gonna make a strawberry pretzel Jello salad. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna make a strawberry pretzel salad. I've never made this. I've never tasted it. I've not watched a video. All I have is this printed out recipe. One of my Instagram friends recommended it, and so it looks really good. It seems to be pretty popular on TikTok right now. I got this from the Taste of Home website. There's lots of similar recipes out here. I had never heard of this before, but I guess it's a Midwest thing. Very popular. So the first step is to make a pretzel crust. 2 cups crushed pretzels, 3/4 cup butter melted, 3 tablespoons sugar. Mix all those together, press to the bottom of the pan, bake for 10 minutes at 350. So let me get the butter melted and crush the pretzels. I got the melted butter, the 2 cups of crushed pretzels. We're also gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Sage is supervising. 2, 3, the other cup of pretzels, and mix that together. And then press it on the bottom of that pan. I need 2 hands for this, but you get the idea. All right, it's just out of the oven. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna let this cool, I don't know, 20 minutes, and then I'll come back to do the second step. It's definitely not like a quick dessert, because the second step you have to chill it, and then the third step you have to chill it again. So definitely a dessert that's gonna take like 2 to 3 hours to make, or if not longer, because you got the last step, the Jello has to sit up. So definitely one of those you need to think about it the night before. All right, I'm getting ready for the second layer, and I just noticed it says total prep time 20 minutes. I don't see how that's possible, because it took more than 20 minutes for the crust to cool down, but whatever. Maybe I just take my time. So the next step, the filling, is 2 cups whipped topping, 1 package of cream cheese, and then 1 cup sugar. So I don't, so, you know there's a difference between fluid cups and solid cups. So it just says 8 ounces. Well, technically a fluid cup is 8 ounces. So if it was fluid, it would be 2 containers of these. I don't have 2 containers of these. But if it was cups, I feel like this would be, if it was cups like this, I do feel like it would be 2 cups. So I wish it would have said, like, how many ounces is this 2 cups of whipped topping? But whatever. I'm going to assume it's this one standard container of Cool Whip. So we're going to mix. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Won't be the first time. 1 container of Cool Whip, 1 container of cream cheese, and 1 cup of sugar. Beat it all together. All right, I scooped out 2 cups, my solid cups, and it still has a little whipped topping left. I'm going to beat this together to see what it looks like, and then maybe I'll add the rest. I don't know. That's why I just wish it would have worked with ounces on this. This is why my recipes always go wrong, because I overthink everything. All right, I put in the rest of the whipped cream. It was like a half of a cup. Don't know if it's right, but this tastes pretty good. So now spread it on a layer into this, on top of this crust, and then chill it. All right, I got it spread out, makes a nice layer. Now I'm gonna put that in the fridge, and I'm gonna start the final layer. Well, first I'm gonna take a snack break with a strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper, a couple strawberries, and the cream cheese I have left over. Snack break. All right, so the last layer is 2 packages of strawberry gelatin. Got that. Nope, one of the old boxes, one of the newer boxes. 2 cups boiling water to dissolve the gelatin. 2 packages frozen sweetened sliced strawberries, which I'm just making fresh strawberries. So 2 16-ounce boxes. That's like 4 cups. We're gonna say 4 cups of sliced strawberries. I might not add all 4 cups because that seems like a lot. I could get like my weighing machine out, but we're gonna just wing it on the strawberries. Okay, so for a typical box of Jello, it's 2 cups of liquid and the gelatin. So so this should really take 4 cups, but it's only 2 cups, so it's really concentrating the gelatin. That's fine. We're gonna do what it says. So I'm gonna get 2 cups of water in the microwave, and then we will dissolve this gelatin. So it's been about 30 minutes. I wouldn't necessarily say it's set up a little bit, but it's not hot at all. And I'm assuming, no, it's not breakfast time. It's not. It's 11 o'clock at night. It's not breakfast time. Don't even think about it. Anyway, I'm assuming you don't want like the warm Jello on the cream cheese because it might cook it a little. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. So let's do the final step. Spoon this on. And then it will chill overnight. All right, I need both hands to do this. I will show you what it looks like in a second. All right, I flattened the strawberries out as much as I could. And now we'll see what 8 hours in the refrigerator does. It's the next morning and it has set up perfectly. Now I'm gonna cut into it and give it a taste test. I was worried it was gonna fall apart, but it actually held up perfectly. Yes, that's a big piece. I haven't had breakfast, so I'm hungry, and that's Robert's smaller portion. And none for you, or you, sorry. That's how it is. You already had breakfast. All right, Robert, try. All the cats are like, what are you doing? What's for breakfast? They already had breakfast. I'm trying to cut this. Oh, I just got cream cheese.
Cream cheese?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
It's like the best strawberry cheesecake ever.
How's that so good?
I know, right? The crust is definitely salty, even though you add a cup of sugar to it. And I'm glad I didn't use sweetened strawberries because this is already sweet enough.
You'd never know it's a pretzel.
Oh my God. This is definitely my new favorite recipe. Oh my God, these cats